Hi guys, good day everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to might cover where software developers can earn money. Yes, you can earn money if you're a good software developer and you're good in as a craft as a software developer, irrespective of any programming language you're good at, irrespective of any framework you're using currently at the moment. It's my discovery where you guys can earn extra income and extra token like a passive income, additional a passive income with your major income you're earning. So either you're working either in startups, big companies, tech companies, stuff like that. So I believe this video will be good for you, and I hope you guys watch to the end of the video. So yes, I discovered a platform called Algora, and inside this platform you can earn extra income if you can contribute to the source project. Yes, and this platform is just a platform. It's just like a network. I consider this platform a network where the contributor of open source project can 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 shout their project out there to this platform. And if you as a software developer or software engineer can contribute, can work on on some issues. For example, if I'm a contributor of a project and I want to have like update on this project, I can create I can create um I can deploy this project on GitHub, and I can like match the project on GitHub, and I'll be expecting any any software engineer who is good at what he or she is doing to what to make a pull request, and if he's able to make a pull request and I his pull request goes match at the end, you get you get a bonus, which is the money at the end. So that's just what this video is all about. I'll show you how you can do it, like as it is done. So I just signed up on this platform, and I discovered it comes with a lot of goodies, comes with a lot of stuff. So this is where you are afterwards. This is where let me start from from homepage. This is homepage. This is where it shows you the open bounties that are available, that are currently available at the moment. And you see, this is just one. This is just for a project a project called refast.ai. So this project, if a software engineer, software developer has skills with Python and JavaScript, you can push out this stuff for yourselves and extra income. Like this is $1,000. So it's just a good platform where you can earn extra money, extra income like passively on your own. So I also search project here. I was searching Python initially, but you can type any programming language, you can type any framework and give you what you want. So that's just what this platform is all about. You just sign up and you are inside already. So I believe if you are good at your craft as a software engineer, so you can make extra income, extra money with this platform. And when I first discovered this platform, it was from LinkedIn. I was like, wow, if let me just give this 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 platform a shot, and I was surprised, and I've been amazed with what I've seen so far on the platform. So I just decided to make this video for software engineers, software developers out there that want to make passive money, passive income with what they are earning majorly. So if you have any question, and if you believe this video has been awesome, has been entertaining and informative for you, you can just like my video and subscribe for more videos like this coming up here on the same channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question about this platform, about this network, because to me I consider this platform more than anywhere you can earn money. Consider where you can fighting your skill set, fighting your craft as a software engineer, and being able to network and make more money. Network and make more money. Network to people that are inside that are willing to help you, that are willing to what even get bigger jobs than what you're currently earning in this software engineering world. So that's just what this video is all about. So thanks so much for watching, and and bye for now.